right, now this is what this show's all about. Great technology. The company's called Eternal. Now when it comes to hot water, I think the days of having a big heated tank are gone. A tankless hot water heater is very efficient and it's great because it's on demand. Now this is quite different. Why is it different? Because it's 98% efficient. Now you can do your research and there's not much out there that is equivalent to 98%. Now it's a very, very interesting system. This is a great unit. It can be mounted inside or outside the home, and you know, it's really quite inexpensive because depending where you live, you get those tax credit dollars, and it is quite inexpensive, and plus it pays itself off incredibly quickly.